The issue I have here is an issue of national interest. Please listen very, very well. There are two people I have the picture here. The man here is the Minister of Foreign Affairs. His name is Honorable Yusuf Tuga. The lady below, her name is Honorable Abike Dabiri, and she is the NIDCOM chairman. NIDCOM is Nigeria in Diaspora Commission. Nigeria in Diaspora Commission. About a year and a month ago, I reported a case here about more than 400 Nigerians that are languishing in Kilati prison. I don't know how many of you still remember that case. Finally, there is result and there is testimony on ground. But we need you to help us get to the promised land finally right now. These people are in Kilati prison. They passed through the Bole airport. They were arrested. Most of them were arrested while on transit through that airport. More than 80% of them, they were not taken to court over there in Ethiopia for the courts to judge them. There was no opportunity for fair hearing. They didn't give them opportunity to defend themselves, to explain what happened. Some of them, and of course are Nigerians, they could not hear the language over there in Ethiopia. They were led straight from the airport, straight to the prison, and they have been there for years. And we have been pushing this case. The Ethiopia prison have said severally, the Ethiopia government have said severally, that they don't have money, they don't have a budget to feed, shelter, and give medicals to more than 219 Nigerians that are in that Kilati prison. And all this while, the Nigerian government has been quite reluctant about it. Okay, there was an interview I saw the Honorable Minister of Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, the Honorable Abike, where she said that those there are people that were convicted for drug offenses, and the people were saying no. I've reported that case like 3-4 times on this channel for my early followers. The good news right now is that the court has given a ruling, a final judgment, that these two people here, Honorable Abike and Honorable Tuga, they should make a move immediately to bring back these 270 Nigerians that have been languishing in Kilati prison. In that Kilati prison, a minimum of one of them RIP every week. I reported it here severally, from health-related complications, no good food. I reported it here that they used to eat white rice without salt, without oil, without stew, severally. Now, these three gentlemen, I need to appreciate them because they've been doing a great job in the laws in the courts. I'm not a lawyer, not a reporter, just a report on social media. Mr. Sunday Maduagu, Mr. Henry Anyanwu, and Mr. Leonard Okafor. These people sued NIDCOM, Foreign Affairs Ministry. They sued the Senate, sued House of Representatives, sued Federal Republic of Nigeria, and they sued the Attorney General of the Federation. These 6 people. So all this case has been dragging. The first and second responded, that was NIDCOM and Minister of Foreign Affairs. They could not say much because all the evidences were there. And now the court has given a ruling that these people should be brought back home. Why am I doing this video? To update us and to encourage us to keep on pushing until they come back. Because one thing I've noticed, can you now see the problem? Tomorrow now they will say, why don't the youth love Nigeria? Tomorrow now they will say, why are the youths not patriotic in Nigeria? If it was the son of a politician, if it was the daughter of a billionaire that was in that prison for over a year, no good food, no medicals, no attention, the government would have done something about it. Now let us see whether the government will be interested in bringing these people back, because the court has given the final ruling. If by next week they are not yet brought back to Nigeria, I will still come here to report again, because it simply means that they are not interested in obeying court ruling. The court has ruled that these people should be brought back to Nigeria, and we are interested in bringing them back to Nigeria. I discuss with some of these inmates almost every week, almost every 2 weeks. If you see how these people they suffer, you know, go wish make your enemy go through this kind of suffering. What did they do? Most of them are innocent. Just by passing through the airport. You know, sometimes now airport officials go want oppress you, they go want intimidate you, and if you try to resist, they go just carry you straight from the airport to the prison. You didn't go to court. So most of them were not convicted of anything. They cannot even hear the language. So help me to share this video. Let it get to the table of like we did before. Because when this thing pulled out before, I think I pulled this out on the 28th of September 2023 last year, and it got to the Senate. Some of you have been following up. It got to the Senate, it got to the House of Reps. The different senators looked into it. They delegated some people to go to Ethiopia and bring reports. The people went there and came back and said that all is well. A lot of things are wrong, but right now the court has given a judgment that they should be brought back. I want you to share this video as much as you can. Let them know that we're still aware, because it was that video that created the hot awareness. Some people have tried doing rally, doing protest, and these honorable barristers have done a very, very, very good job. Let us share this video, and let us hope that these 270 Nigerians that are held for no just cause, because they traveled and because they're Nigerians, let us work so that they can come back to their homeland. And when they come down to Nigeria, let Nigerians, they prefer being in Nigerian prison than being in Ethiopian prison. For since it's that serious, it's that bad. This is like the 7th video I'm doing to this on this issue. They prefer being in Nigerian prison than being there. Make you know as the matter be. So when they are brought down to Nigeria, they will be tried. Those found guilty of anything will serve their time. Those innocent, because most of them are innocent, they will go back to their loved ones. Just imagine, husband never see wife for months, for years. Wife never see husband for years. The children never see parents, their father and their mother for years. And they have, just because they were traveling through an airport. Don't forget to share this video. Let us keep on working until tag Honorable Abike and tag Honorable Yusuf. Let them know that Nigerians are looking forward to these Nigerians coming back to their home country. Thank you, guys.